I bet that you've seen several faceless YouTube channels out there that are growing exponentially, gaining millions of views and thousands of followers by creating videos like these that use stock footage, an AI voiceover, and basic editing. Well, today I'm revealing the secret, mind-blowing AI tool that can help you make viral videos like these in literally 5 minutes, just by using my super simple prompt template that will generate the right script, pick the right media and music, give you a realistic voiceover, and put it all together at the click of a button. So hit subscribe and let's get started. Now, I already have a clear idea of the niche I want to make this video in, which is travel. This is a great niche for a faceless AI run channel because it is extremely popular on YouTube and it doesn't require you to be in front of the camera or to shoot any footage. If you're struggling to find a niche, on the other hand, you can just go ahead and ask ChatGPT and then choose from the list that it generates. Now for the video ideas, we want to pick ones that have the potential to go viral right off the bat. And one of the easiest ways to do this is to look at other channels in your niche and see which videos have performed exceptionally well for them in the last month or so. Anything that has a view count of 2 to 4 times their subscriber count is a good bet to take. Keeping that metric in mind, this is a video, top 10 places to visit in 2023, that has done exceptionally well for this channel. And we can easily tweak this idea for the coming year. Now with the idea sorted, let's start creating our video. I'm going to start by logging into my account on ai.invideo.io. And this will bring me directly to the AI tool. Here, I'm going to prompt the AI to create the video I want. Now keep in mind how you write the prompt is where the magic lies. So I'm going to show you how to write a killer prompt, and I'm going to share the template in the description below so that you can copy and tweak it to whatever video you're creating. Let's go ahead and click on this drop down on the top right and choose YouTube Explainer as the workflow. This just makes it a lot easier to engineer a prompt because we just need to fill in the blanks. Now, the first thing that we need to do is select the duration we want for the video. I want it to be about 7 to 8 minutes long, so that is what I'm going to select. Next, we are going to write our topic in detail. Make a video on top 10 places to visit in 2024. Now, since the first 30 seconds of the video are extremely important on YouTube, we want it to have a fast-paced intro that is attention-grabbing and starts with a bold statement. After that, I'm going to give it instructions on what the video should include, cover offbeat places, and talk about why one should visit the place, who it is best for, and what are some things people should not miss. Next, we want to give it inputs on language and structure. Keep the language colloquial and fun. The overall mood for the video should be inspiring and fun. The pacing of the video needs to be fast and it needs to have a lot of stock media. The aim of the video is to hook the audience and give them tips on places they can visit. Now, one of the best parts about this tool is that you can give it an article link and ask it to pick information from there. I have this Forbes article that showcases the best places to visit in 2024, and I want the AI to pick information from here. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste the link. I will also give it instructions on the tone of the voiceover. Make the voiceover dynamic and persuasive and have a casual word style. Next, let's give the tool directions for what kind of music we want. We want pop music, which is upbeat and happy. We initially didn't write the language and the gender for the voiceover because we can easily pick that out from the drop down here. So let's go ahead and select a female voice and a clear American one. And then we're going to let the rest of the parameters stay as they are and click on generate. So with this prompt, we've basically told the AI what the hook should be, what we want the video to cover, what the language and structure should be, what the overall mood and aim of the video should be, what the pacing of the video should be like, the type of voiceover and music we want, and the article link we want to base the video on. Now, when you click on generate, InVideo will ask you for a few more details such as the target audience and the look and feel that you want for your video based on your prompt. And once you click on continue after choosing those, InVideo will create your first draft in just a few minutes. Now let's take a look at the first few seconds of the video to see what it looks like.
Travel. It's not just about seeing new places. It's about experiencing the thrill of the unknown. The heart-thumping anticipation of what lies around the corner, the intoxicating blend of unfamiliar scents, the vibrant colors that paint a picture of a world you've yet to explore. The year 2024 is your canvas, and we're here to help you paint your masterpiece. From the sparkling azure waters of Ha Long Bay to the cultural richness of Oaxaca, we've handpicked the creme de la creme of destinations. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to the top 10 places to visit in 2024.
Wow, that looks great. So in just 10 minutes, the AI basically wrote a full-fledged script for a 10-minute video. It shows hyper-relevant stock clips from its library of over 8 million such assets. It added a very realistic human-sounding voiceover, a great soundtrack, text, slides, and transitions, and it cut and edited the video in sync with the voiceover and music to make it publish ready. I actually don't mind publishing the video as is, and even then, I think it'll be better edited than half the YouTube channels out there. Actually, why don't you let me know in the comments what you think of the first draft while we look at how we can make some minor tweaks to make this video go from great to epic. Now, there are 3 ways that you can make changes to the video. If you don't like the overall feel and structure of the video, you can use this plus icon right above the canvas area and change the audience type and the look and feel, as well as choose to edit the prompt. Doing this will prompt the AI to create a completely new draft of the video. We don't want that. We only want to make a couple of adjustments. So I'm going to go ahead with the edit option right below the canvas, and this gives me the option to either edit the media or the script. Now, in the script tab, it opens up your entire script, and here you can simply make changes to the text however you want. You can change spellings, edit sentences, break up paragraphs, add or delete words and phrases, and this will change the voiceover and the B-roll accordingly. Alternatively, if you just want to change a couple of clips, you can use the edit media option, and this opens up the entire media timeline where you can see all the clips that have been used. You can then select the clip that you want to replace and then either upload your own clip using the upload option or search for a separate clip using the stock library. For instance, I don't like this one, so I want to change it, and I'm going to search the stock library for the same. Once I find a clip I like this one, I'll just click on it and you can see that it gets placed on top of the original clip, meaning that it has indeed been replaced. Then I'll just click apply and the new clip will replace the default one. You can of course do this for as many clips as you like and have minute control over the exact clips that you have in your videos. Now we come to the best and the easiest way to make changes to your video, and this is actually perfect for longer videos, so you don't have to spend a lot of time micro editing your results. You simply need to use this command box to prompt the AI to make the changes you want. You can ask it to add, delete, or change scenes, rewrite certain parts of the script, change the music, increase or decrease the volume, switch up the media, and a lot more. I, for instance, want to make the music more dramatic. That's done. Let's take a look.
It's not just about seeing new places, it's about experiencing the thrill of the unknown. The heart-thumping anticipation of what lies around the corner, the intoxicating blend of unfamiliar scents, the vibrant colors that paint a picture of a world you've yet to explore.
Doesn't that sound so much better, more energetic? Now let's see if we can shorten the length of the second chapter on Ha Long Bay, because I feel that it's a little bit too long. And there you have it.
First up, Ha Long Bay, Vietnam, where nature's grandeur mingles with cultural vitality. Envision the tranquility of green waters, dotted with towering limestone islands, each narrating the resilience of nature.
That is great. I didn't even have to rewrite the script or anything. And finally, I wanted to shorten the wrap-up section and add a CTA to subscribe to the channel.
And there you have it, wrapping up the top 10 places to visit in 2024. From Ha Long Bay in Vietnam to Oaxaca in Mexico, we've covered gems. Madalena Archipelago, URLA, Niseko, Orcon Valley, Goa, and Tengale are included. Where we'll travel in 2024? The world is your oyster. Go explore. Subscribe our channel for more travel inspiration.
Perfect. With that, our video is ready. Now, in case you give it a prompt and you don't like the results that have come up, you can always press this undo arrow and go back to the previous version and then try again. Now, with that, let's preview our final results. We're just going to watch a minute or so of the video to give you an idea, and you can check out the full video using the link in the description.
Travel. It's not just about seeing new places, it's about experiencing the thrill of the unknown. The heart-thumping anticipation of what lies around the corner, the intoxicating blend of unfamiliar scents, the vibrant colors that paint a picture of a world you've yet to explore. The year 2024 is your canvas, and we're here to help you paint your masterpiece. From the sparkling azure waters of Ha Long Bay to the cultural richness of Oaxaca, we've handpicked the creme de la creme of destinations. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey to the top 10 places to visit in 2024. First up, Ha Long Bay, Vietnam, where nature's grandeur mingles with cultural vitality. Envision the tranquility of green waters, dotted with towering limestone islands, each narrating the resilience of nature. But there's more than just scenic vistas. Ha Bay is a cultural treasure, teeming with the lively spirit of Vietnam. Dive into the bustling floating markets, admire the ancient temples, join a fishing trip, or learn Vietnamese cooking with a local family. Venture into mystical caves adorned with stalagmites and stalactites, a hidden underworld ready to be unearthed. Ha Long Bay is a journey, an immersion into Vietnam's vibrant culture and breathtaking nature.
Now for the verdict. What do you think? Is this something that you would watch? I would love it if you could rate it on a scale of 1 to 10 and let us know in the comments what you thought of the video. Now, once you're happy with the results, you can just click on this export option right below the canvas and choose your specifics here. Please note that to download the video without any watermarks, you will have to upgrade to a paid plan within InVideo. But if you can make do with them, you can create up to 4 videos a week for free. And if at any point during the process you face any difficulty or are not able to figure out how to proceed, you can use this chat option at the bottom right of the screen to speak to our 24/7 support team. The response time is less than 30 seconds. Once your video is rendered, you can download it and then upload it to your channel. You essentially want to use this AI tool to start creating and publishing videos like this regularly. Make sure you write a catchy title and design an interesting thumbnail for your videos. And don't forget to check out this video next to learn how we made 30 YouTube shorts in 30 minutes with this very AI tool.